Hello, good morning and good evening from wherever in the world you're watching. My name's Melissa and I'm the Marketing and Events Manager here at IHEEM, and welcome to Healthcare Estates Digital Week. Obviously, our speakers are presenting to you in a different format this year, but we hope you still find each session informative and look forward to welcoming you back to Manchester next year. Here is Ian Hynett, President of IHEEM, to introduce Digital Week.
Back in May of this year, due to the ongoing pandemic, I announced, along with the backing of IHEEM Council, that to protect the health and safety of our members, delegates, exhibitors, staff and volunteers, the Institute would be deferring all of its face-to-face events planned for 2020. Since then, IHEEM Head Office, along with STEP Exhibitions, have been working hard to organise and deliver an array of live and on-demand content in the form of Healthcare Estates Digital Week, fulfilling the Institute's promise in supporting our members' CPD requirements. I'm pleased to introduce you all to Healthcare Estates Digital Week. I hope you find this online learning experience beneficial as well as convenient, especially with having the options of the live and on-demand content. COVID-19 is changing the way the Institute thinks and prioritises our work. I've been proud to be president during the Institute's digital transformation. I believe that the new dependency on technology has enabled the Institute to adapt and modernise, as well as to adjust to different ways of working for both our staff and our members. And as an additional bonus, the digital agenda enforces sustainable practices becoming more normalised in the day-to-day ways of working, ensuring that we're all moving in the right direction. Head Office has been working hard to develop a new website. The new bespoke CPD system and a new learning library has been designed to give our members easy access to a wide range of resources that are pertinent to education and training within the healthcare, engineering and estates management sector, and where all Digital Week content will be hosted after the event is over. Work continues to emphasise the tangible outputs from our 5-year business plan released at the beginning of 2020, to which IHEEM are still dedicated to serving our members, developing future leaders, engaging with new partner organisations, supporting existing partner organisations, and strengthening our national and international profile. This year marks my second and final year as IHEEM President, and during this time I've been proud to have been involved in progressing our equality and diversity agenda and in the development of a national apprentice training scheme. I'm confident that my successor, Paul Fenton, will take IHEEM's agenda forward and succeed in continuing to deliver the objectives set out within our 5-year business plan. I will still be continuing to work closely with the Institute and shall be keeping my seat on Council, and I'm looking forward to being a part of IHEEM's continuing success. I hope you enjoy the live and on-demand sessions Digital Week has to offer, and I hope you stay safe and well. And I do hope to see many of you in the near future when it's safe to do so.
And now, an introduction from Pete Sellers, Chief Executive Officer of IHEEM.
Good morning and welcome to IHEEM's very first online conference. Clearly, not as large as our normal face-to-face events we usually hold in Manchester each year, but I'm delighted that this year we've still maintained to bring together an outstanding array of leading estates and facilities speakers, both here from the United Kingdom and also internationally. Over the last 2 to 3 months, IHEEM have launched our Healthcare Estates online Stay Connected, Keep Informed, Get Ahead programme of activities. There has already been a series of these events leading up to this Digital Week, to which, along with this event, you can also watch later through IHEEM's information portal on our new website. IHEEM will be developing an online set of targeted webinars to ensure our members are kept informed on all key estates and facilities developments over the next 12 months. Please keep checking our website for further information. On to this week's event. We have structured this week's event into 5 distinct daily themes. starting with policy on day 1, science and technology day 2, workforce day 3, design day 4, and concluding with international on day 5. Finally, a big thank you to all our speakers and chairs who have taken the time to support IHEAM put together this event this week. We really do appreciate your support. I really do hope you enjoy this week's activities, and remember, if you cannot manage to catch the events live, you can always view them later through IHEAM's website. Thank you and enjoy.
And now, Jonathan Stewart, National Chair of HEFMA.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Stewart and I'm the National Chairman of the Health Estates and Facilities Management Association, also known as HEFMA. HEFMA is a professional association representing the facilities management professions working in healthcare across the UK. Our membership is predominantly drawn from the NHS, although we do have some individual and corporate members as well that have a strong interest in supporting healthcare and that work in the very wide NHS supply chain. Our members are generally NHS organisations rather than individuals, which allows for all members within their E&F teams to benefit from membership. I've also been a member of IHEAM since 1987 and therefore have a strong knowledge of both organisations and the support they provide to their members. Whilst the two organisations are different in many ways, our principal aims of championing knowledge, professionality and skills in all of the professions encompassed by Estates and Facilities badge are common. Indeed, many of our colleagues are, like me, members of both organisations. Although IHEAM and HEFMA as organisations are structured quite differently, the strength of our partnership over recent years enables us to develop joint initiatives and to share resources in a way that significantly reinforces our influence and ability to drive change and improvement in the field of healthcare estates and facilities management. We're delighted to have been asked to support IHEAM's Healthcare Estates Digital Week, and I'm personally pleased to be chairing one of the keynote presentations around the workforce agenda. I hope that all of you who take part in IHEAM's Healthcare Estates Digital Week gain from it in terms of your personal knowledge, awareness of innovation, policy development and best practice in healthcare estates and facilities. I urge you to continue to share your experience and expertise through the networks afforded you by IHEAM and HEFMA and the like, and to continue to support the growth of the future leaders and workforce of our critically important professions. We at HEFMA are proud to work in partnership with IHEAM and our other partner professional associations, and we're confident that together, with our combined resources, we can continue to drive improvements and efficiencies, education and sustainability in the estates and facilities professions for the future of the UK's healthcare industry and for the benefit of all our patients of our National Health Service. Arguably, there's never been a time of greater need during this worldwide health crisis to support and develop the NHS and to ensure it remains safe, efficient and effective for the delivery of clinical care to those in most need in our society. I hope you enjoy IHEAM's Healthcare Estates Digital Week and I look forward to seeing you at a future event.
Now, John Thatcher, CEO of Eastwood Park.
Hello, I'm John Thatcher, the Chief Executive of Eastwood Park. As you may well know, Eastwood Park is a national training centre involved with hospital engineering. And it's been our pleasure to be involved with IHEAM for over 50 years since we've been providing this training here in the UK. During our time working in conjunction with IHEAM, we've developed the Authorising Engineer Decontamination Programme. This is a competency framework that enables IHEAM to recruit and develop authorising engineers to fulfil their very important role with hospitals. In addition, we've worked very closely with IHEAM in developing our degree programmes, the Foundation Degree and the BSc Honours Degree programmes for both hospital workers working in the engineering functions and also in the medical equipment, medical devices area. More recently, IHEAM approached Eastwood Park to ask them to facilitate the development of their members to chartered engineering status through the development of a portfolio and the support provided through mentors that IHEAM can offer at an expert level. Eastwood Park will develop these mentors to enable them to provide the support needed by students to gain their status as chartered engineers. It's not just the students that benefit from a membership and association with IHEAM, it's our trainers as well, many of whom are authorising engineers and associate with their colleagues in that activity They also are members of technical panels and again can share experience and learning with those technical panels. Having celebrated our 50th anniversary in Manchester last year at the conference, it's a shame not to be there this year, but I'm sure there'll be many opportunities in the future. Both Eastwood Park and IHEAM share a belief and a passion for developing our sector. This relationship is hugely valued by Eastwood Park, and I'm sure will be valued by all of our members and our customers in the future as we go forward together.
Introducing Aladdin, Director from TAPI.
Greetings, I'm Aladdin Yasmand. I'm a Director of TAPI. TAPI is a company involved in health planning from A to Z. TAPI is a multinational company that operates from Australia to the UK and everywhere in between. We have several years of proud association with IHEAM. TAPI has agreed to make all of its knowledge, all of its IP, all of its methodology available to IHEAM membership. Healthcare is a field where knowledge is expensive. It takes a long time to generate it, and it's usually difficult to share it. IHEAM and TAPI are committed to setting up some courses for sharing this knowledge. We're committed to seeing the growth of the IHEAM membership around the world and in the UK. We'll be running health planning courses together with IHEAM. These will be online courses, which will be CPD approved, running between 2 days and 9 days. They'll cover the software, they'll cover the process of health planning, they'll cover many aspects of design and engineering. Initially, health facility planning courses will cover many aspects of planning for the briefing of the works, planning strategies, engineering, and execution. It'll cover compliance with standards and guidelines with an international flavor. It'll include the use of specialist software, such as the HFES. In short, I'm very proud to see that TAPI is a knowledge partner of IHEAM. Our collaboration in the future will only increase. In short, I'm very proud to see TAPI as a knowledge partner of IHEAM. I would like to see the IHEAM membership grow around the world and IHEAM to be seen as an encyclopedia of knowledge for health planning and design and engineering around the world. I hope to see you all at one of the health planning courses that we'll be running with IHEAM.
And now, Sue O'Connell, CEO of Community Health Partnerships.
Community Health Partnerships provides high-quality health and social care facilities in local communities. As part of the NHS family, we work with a range of partners to provide innovative and sustainable spaces for the benefits of patients, service users, and those who care for them. We are experts in commercial investment, community infrastructure, development, and property management. So we are really delighted to be supporting IHEAM as their lead professional body for estates and facilities experts working in the health sector. It is really important to us that there is a strong and vibrant community of estates professionals who are able to bring new ideas and solutions to the NHS estate challenges, enabling greater service transformation.
And now, Jonathan Erskine, Executive Director of the European Property Health Network.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Erskine. I'm the Executive Director of the European Health Property Network, also known as EUHPN. For those who don't know EUHPN, we're a non-profit organisation. We have member organisations all across Europe, all of us with a common interest in how best to plan, design, construct, maintain and finance all kinds of hospitals. The health estate really, from the largest tertiary teaching hospital organisations right down to the smallest primary care and health centres. We've worked collaboratively with IHEAM over many years, with some IHEAM members coming to speak at our events and vice versa. But this year, we feel that it's more important than ever for us as an organisation to collaborate really proactively with other member organisations such as IHEAM. And we're really delighted as an organisation to offer our full support for this year's Digital Week. And we're hoping that this will be the start of even greater partnership with IHEAM going into the future. So, on behalf of the board of the European Health Property Network, at a time when there are really exciting challenges for the healthcare sector in general, but specifically for the health estate and for healthcare engineering and estates management, and looking ahead to how we can align IHEAM's interests with our own as EUHPN, we would like to offer our encouragement and support and to wish everyone the very best for the Digital Week and beyond. Thank you.
And now, Chris Bradley, co-founder and director of Asset Wisdom.
I'm Chris Bradley, one of the co-founders and a director of Asset Wisdom. Our mission is to spread asset management knowledge globally and develop the next generation of asset managers and leaders. We passionately believe that collaboration strengthens partnerships and achieves positive results. Asset Wisdom offers an online asset management learning solution for individuals and organisations looking to build their competence and confidence in asset management. Our learning is endorsed by the Institute of Asset Management and has been externally accredited by CPD UK, thus enabling individuals to gain CPD credits. In partnership, we work globally with key stakeholders to deliver asset management learning to the next generation of asset managers and leaders. This is why we at Asset Wisdom are especially delighted to be partnering with Pete Sellers and his team at IHEAM to start raising awareness of what asset management is, how it can benefit NHS estates, and begin to develop the skills necessary for its adoption across the many organisations responsible for the estates and the built environment of the NHS. And not forgetting, opening up a new career path for individuals. We look forward to working with you all in what is an exciting time in the growing world of asset management.
Thank you for listening. We hope you find this week informative. All sessions will be available on demand to view at a time that suits you. Thank you and enjoy.